right, just need Bobby to check in and we're ready. And Josh. VTA guys, now World GT guys, if you come out to Marshall. All right, we just need Rudy and Bobby. Here comes Bobby. Yeah, you get 2 of them today. Don't forget.
Bye. Bye. I'm only one day out here.
All right. Bobby, come on through one more time, would you? Okay. We need a few marshals out here. I see Mr. Barber. We can get 2 more marshals out. Come on, you got nothing to do, Joe. You got time before you run again. All right, Mr. Weisel, marshal right there, he's good. All right.
Now I need somebody out here.
Okay, Mr. Barber, if they crash down there, it's up to you to get them. Yes, be ready. All right, kids, everybody is checked in. 6-minute heat on the tone, less than 5. Come on, Winger, don't let this off-road guy beat us. Come on, Winger. Oh, Winger, little love tap. That'll slow him down. Let's see if Rudy can catch him now. Oh yeah, Rudy's got him. You're in trouble, Winger, see? Filthy, you pig. Come on, Winger. Oh boy. Oh, uh-oh. You should have put in him. Come on, get in there, Winger. Oh, man. Bobby, what the hell?
5 minutes left.
All right, let's see you guys do it again. Oh. Get him, Bobby. You heard him, Chuck. Oh, come on, Winger.
He heard the footsteps!
Go, Winger, go. 4:30 left. Come on, Winger, go. Oh, yeah, oh, come on.
Come on, Chuck.
Oh, there you go, Winger. No traffic. Let's Winger get through.
Come on, Rudy.
Why are you cheering for Rudy now?
He got work. Work by back work.
4 minutes left.
All right, first and second.
Yes.
Makes cats happy.
Look for 6 in my
Why is it?
Oh, baby, don't give him a hole. Don't give him the hole.
Come on. Oh, Winger.
Stick. Stick to my stomach. Oh.
Winger, Oh, 2 seconds back. Yeah, he did.
3 minutes
Come
left.
on, Winger. Let's see what happens this one. 11-7 to 11-4. Winger. All right. 12-1 to Winger's 12-1. Clean lap, Winger. Come on. Driving me crazy. All right. Leader comes through 11-9 to Winger. 6. Wow.
Hammer down, Winger.
Come on, Winger. All right. Uh-oh. Leader through traffic here. Winger, where are you going? Rudy's pulling away. 3.3 second advantage
2
with 2
minutes
minutes.
left.
Winger, get that thing moving. Falling back down to 3.8 now, Winger. We got minute 40 to go, Winger. Let's do it. 12-4 for Rudy. 11-6 for Winger.
Yeah! My goodness!
Come on, Winger.
Come on, Chuck. Just doesn't have to end before.
Jeez. Lost a half a second, Winger. Oh. Wow. Minute 15 to go. Yep, 7.7 seconds. Come on, Winger. 1 minute left.
Whoa, whoa!
How's that guy drive? All right. Up next, Gios, Wise, and Cleboo. Oh, man. No respect. Yes, 35 seconds. Rudy's looking to lap the Winger. Come on, Kip. Whoa, man. Guess her dad. 14 seconds left. Oh, thank God. Winger, you are done. Rudy is done. Oh, man.
Concrete is done.
Josh is done. That was fourth, third and fourth. Josh took third. Wow. That hurt. Wow, Josh. Man, you should at least bought him dinner. All right, next group of VTA kids, you are up next. Gios, Wise, and Cleboo. Cleboo's gonna go for 0-3 in mains today. Let's see what he can do.
How did we know love? The walls of the county road. Melted under heat. Dude, you guys do this to me together. Is your car shitty? Assy, traction roll. Did you fix it? Because it was actually looser when I watched it qualify.
Yeah, it's a little bit more toe in the rear.
I wanted to tell you to do that.
But toward the end of the race,
All right,
I don't know if you're over even. I think you're just.
let's see what we got here.
Probably already